3.0 supercharged swap line. That thing is sweet. Color is nice too. Slammed to the ground on some rotors. Oh my god.
And 63 Haynes, reporting for duty.
So which one are you guys racing her? So this built Audi is gonna be racing the ZV-1 tonight. Is he built too?
Yeah.
I couldn't assume that, bro. You'll be okay, man. I'm telling you. You'll see the straightaway. You'll see it all the way down.
All right, YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm about to go ahead and do the spark plugs on the S4 because it's been a while since I changed the spark plugs on the S4 and it's been misfiring a little bit lately. So let's go ahead and change that out. I am gonna go to the Lowe's show this weekend, well tonight. So yeah, damn, the sun's in my freaking eye. It's gonna be a nice day. But yeah, I gotta do the spark plugs real quick and then we're gonna go ahead and go to the show and whatnot. But it's been a minute since I've done my spark plugs on the car. So it explains why I've been losing a little bit of power too, probably. So let's go ahead and get this shit going. But don't mind me, my engine bay is dirty and I'm missing a cover right here. I don't know how that happened. Like, I just opened my hood one day and that piece was gone. So now dust and debris is flying all in my engine bay whenever I'm driving, of course. But let's go ahead and do the hard side first. So the spark plugs I'm gonna go with is NGK BK-R9EIX. Part number is 2669. These are recommended for cars that are stage 2. So that's what I'm gonna go with. I did gap them last night already to 0.24. If you don't have a gap tool, you can use one of these, and also this, whichever works for you. Basically, there's a rubber grommet down there. You can kind of lift this up and move it out the way so you have some like wiggle room or whatever to move around, because you don't have to really completely move this coolant tank. So now that you got that out the way, you have more room to remove the 2 T15 screws that are holding on to the coil packs right there. Be careful or else you drop them in your engine bay and you'll be done, bro. So now that I have that out the way, you can go ahead and get the ignition coils out the spark plugs. I don't have the puller tool, so I'm going to use a flathead and try to like gently get it out and not break anything. If not, I have these 2 strings that I've been using for the past like decades, and you just put on each side and try to like yank it out gently and not break anything. But so we got one out. It worked pretty well with the flathead. You just gotta be pretty careful and not crack your valve covers, anything like that. My valve cover does look dirty. I did the gasket like 20,000 miles ago, so I might have to do it again soon. It looks kind of dirty. That like oil might be leaking again or some shit. But yeah, putting in the new spark plugs now. See, as it has more room with the shorter extension. So yeah. Now that I got the hard side done, let's go ahead and attack the easier side. But the spark plugs look kind of rough. Let me show you guys how one of them looks like right now real quick. I mean, it's not too bad. I'm a little cooked. At least it's not covering oil though. But yeah, all 3 of them is like that on this side. Hopefully the other side is pretty good and no oils in them or looking crazy. So yeah. Alright, now that I got everything back together, let's go ahead and start the car and see if she's happy or not. Made it to Lowe's car show. It is nighttime now. Yeah, I got here hella late. I was busy doing some things, but we are here now. I'm on the strip currently. We're gonna see if there's some shit going on. Damn, you see cars? Damn, look at that Porsche over there. That Volkswagen is hella clean, guys. This thing is slammed to the ground. Tomorrow is gonna be pretty crazy. I'm pretty sure tomorrow's gonna be nuts with cars all over. I missed today's show. Today's show was supposed to be insane. From what I've seen, it was like, man, I missed that, but at least we have tomorrow. Look at this RS3 though. These roadie forms are nice.
I think
Man, this color is so hard. Look at this RS4 right here. Pink wrap. Thing is tucked it. Tucked it. Audi lineup. And there go mine. She aight, she aight. RS4, RS3. Tiffany blue Golf R over here is sweet. Dang, this is like a little secret hideout spot. Look at that little S4 over there, bro. Fitment on that thing is insane, man. Damn. That's tight. That's tight. This place really is Posh Town. It's freaking potholes everywhere, bro. Like, my goodness. This is why my car is cooked. Cause I be going to places that has major potholes, bro. Like.
So we at the Lowe's Volkswagen Audi show right now. It is pretty lit. Look at this horse right behind me. Dang. So what's up to the vlog, bro?
Here, GT2 RS.
Dang, there's too many nice cars here. It's a pretty good day out here. Cars everywhere. Porsche area over here. GT3 RS over there. Bunch of nice Porsche around over this side. Lovely weather. Can't complain. You got Unitronic and Euro tuning booth next to each other. That's pretty lit. 3.0 supercharged swap. Vaughn, that thing is sweet. Color is nice too. Slammed to the ground on some rotors. Oh my god. Holy shit. It's a 6-speed too. Dang, this is like the perfect supercharged A4 S4 right here, bro. What is this M3 doing here? This is a Volkswagen meet. You're in the wrong spot, buddy. You about to get jumped. There go IE. All the goodies back there. There go Jackal. This RSQ5 is massive in person. It looks like a giant Batmobile, bro. Dang, this is so hard. Hey, P3 is here also. How cool is that? So I have the P3 gauge on the S4. Amazing. So we're at the Lowe's show. There's Miles over there, Dorchworks, IE over here, and then you got P3 over there. And then there was Jackal all the way over there. There's a bunch of good lineup on this side. This is where all the good sides are at. This TTRS is so sick, guys. This thing looks like it's built to the max, like 1,000 horsepower probably. What color is this thing? This thing is sweet. IRO Motorsport. This track setup TT is super clean. Look at the interior though. Dang. You know this thing's probably fast. And that.
We get a little side
Wait, you know.
The car's all the way in the rotoform booth now.
Best shots and springs.
This is what this is for.
Hey man, hop in.
My car. That was sweet. shit.
and I come back to the three of you in this in the limo car.
I'm a tweet. Where's the tweet?
I bet. You got a table for him. The box will go right here.
I don't need a table. I just need one.
You got a whole trunk for him.
And the color on the RS3 is pretty nice. This color is nice too. There's a bunch of new RS3 out today. You got the different headlights on there. And there go Kev's S7. Finally see this thing in person. This thing is hard as hell. Shout out to Can Auto. Man. Kev. Can Auto gang. Damn.
I can't talk, my voice is gone right now.
Man, you've been screaming so much this weekend, bro. Oh, shit. Finally met the Canadian Auto family. Dang. He did nice with this. I was trying to tell Kev that his car looked like something from our Robot type of vibe.
No, it just looks
Not
slow.
a bad thing, you know what I mean? It's a good thing. He looks slow. Canadian Auto family. The diffuser, sheesh. Shout out to this guy, man. Met a lot of cool ass people. What is your Instagram, man? Put it down for them, bro.
B85.S5.
Hell yeah. Like a long time supporter, man. Like it means a lot. A lot of great people out here. Had a great time. There's Kevin, his car right here. Got the S7 gang over this side over here. Go Birds too.
Yeah, baby.
V10 R8. This thing is nice. And there's a 6-speed. OC wheels on there. Damn, remember when cars used to have telephones in them back in the day? That's insane. Yo, remember when cars had telephones in there? I almost forgot all about that. That's crazy. Recaro seats. V5. RS3. Gap cam in the back. That's pretty clean. Yo, why is his car still here, man? Where you at? Hey. Damn, your car is a little lonely over here, brother. Porsche 911 Turbo S started up. Dang. Air it out. X3 Endo. Big boss guy.
I went up there, but I ain't gonna lie, I feel like
About to run you over.
shit. And then I'm like,
Don't park next to me.
It's getting a little live out here. Orange M2 over there in the cut. The Payne S4 haul.
What's up? And 63 Heens reporting for duty. Don't follow me, please.
Yeah, give him a follow, man.
Alright, so
No,
listen,
no.
If you follow him, you have to call him Meat Man.
No,
And every time you see him, you gotta give him some meat.
Oh, hell nah. We don't do that here. You can clip it right there.
Nah, keep all that in.
Got a vet over here with a parachute. Damn. The B locks on there though. E7.
That's why I came here first.
Oh shit. RS3. This is a super clean ZL1 over here. Dang. Sheesh. She popped the hood for you.
Yeah, he don't care anymore.
So which one of you guys racing her though? What's up? You got her, bro?
I'm gonna race her. I'm gonna race her on foot.
she dusted me.
Yeah.
As soon as we start our
It's
engines, I
kind of
lost.
warm, man. It's warm in here. It feels good. It's chilly out.
It's tight.
Somebody bring out the marshmallows.
Still hot.
Yeah, a little bit.
This is your
So this built Audi's gonna be racing the ZV-1 tonight. Is he built too?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Two built cars racing each other
We're
tonight.
so opposite. He has the supercharger, I have the turbo. You know.
How much is the car?
The white one or the purple? Oh, I can't see the color. Purple. I don't think it's purple.
I could have assumed that, bro.
Yeah, this color is crazy.
Who you guys got, the ZL1 tonight or the RS3 Daza built? Both are built, unknown mods. RS3 is built by A to B. I don't know about the ZL1, but I don't know, guys. The RS3 is pretty built. It's pretty crazy. This thing might take it. They're doing the rolls too, so.
We gotta get the runoff sorta quick, not that quick. But if there's traffic, just don't even worry about it. Just keep going around the bend, and I'll give you a thumbs up and tell you like, okay.
If anything, just throw hazards on.
Yeah.
Just be like, yo.
But if we want to do it right here, we just got to get off sorta quick. Not like anything crazy, but like you'll see how much. No. I mean, because the turn comes up. You'll be okay, man. I'm telling you. You'll see the straightaway. You'll see it all the way down.
All right. I just get scared, like I said.
If you don't feel comfortable, just fucking.
Failure. Don't listen.
Dude, the road is not that scary. It really is not that scary. Look how far it was. Look how long it was until I actually fucking went. But you were pulling
so good though.
Why did you do that?
because I don't want to jump ever.